I'm going to show how to change the fuel filter in my L130 John Deere riding lawnmower. I purchased this filter at a local Ace hardware store. I'll be following the instructions on the back of the package. Begin by lifting the hood to access the engine. You'll find the fuel filter in this location. Per instructions, locate the spark plug and disconnect the spark plug wire. Also, be certain the engine is cold before working on it. Next, remove the filter from its package. Note the arrow with the word flow on the side of the filter housing. This shows how the filter will be oriented when installing. The flow direction comes from the fuel tank through the filter and towards the carburetor, basically towards the engine. Here's another look at how it flows. Before removing the old filter, the hose coming from the tank will need to be occluded so gas doesn't flow out when the filter's removed. In other words, this hose needs to be clamped or pinched shut. I made a clamp from wrapping duct tape around the jaws of needle nose locking pliers. The duct tape creates enough cushion so the hose isn't damaged when clamping it shut. Use these to clamp the hose that comes from the tank side. Leave plenty of room between the filter and the locking pliers. On the engine side of the filter, there was a zip tie that needed to be removed from the hose. Now locate the hose clamp that secures the hose to the filter. With a pair of pliers, open the hose clamp by squeezing the tabs together in this manner. Then slide the clamp up the hose to release the end pressure that's holding on the filter. Next, work the hose off of the filter in this manner. Once free, make sure the flow arrow is pointing towards this hose when installing. Also, note the space on the nipple between the hose barbs. This is where the clamp will be seated once the hose has been installed. Keep this space in mind when installing the hose. The hose should be installed well past the barbs in the seat. Next, squeeze open the hose clamp and slide it down to the seating location. Then release the clamp and test its grip. Now return to the old filter and remove it from the tank hose. Use pliers to squeeze open this clamp and slide it from the end. Follow the same technique as done on the other hose by working the filter off. Next, install the tank end of the filter using the same method as the other hose. Work the hose past the seat and barbs. Now, squeeze open the clamp and seat it into place. Give another test with a few tugs and then release the locking pliers to open up the flow from the tank. Finally, replace the zip ties and return the wire to the spark plug. The mower is now ready to use.